people, now welcome to this show today.
They start. This thing a ginger show. It they sad nowadays.
You know, why not go sad? Why not go sad? Why get somewhere near Clifford for the studio?
Which Clifford?
People, I know what we discuss for sad show sometimes. Ha! Now wow!
The Lord God made all the animals.
Well done.
And dog na very sweet meat. I don't know why.
I beg. Which one be?
I beg, no allow our Calabar fans to verse for you. Dog meat sweet. Now God then make dog meat. Whenever I talk of other meat, which bush meat no even sweet. I mean all these animals they see
bush meat.
I
don't to be bushmeat.
This thing what they talk so. On I would say snake attack human being, lion attack human being. Wait, call they say na tragedy. No, them they see us like animals too. When we say the way they see them, you understand?
Let's attack. So now
today,
we attack.
I disfriend you today from this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, now welcome to the program. What we call I the Red. My eye the red now because. My best friend, I think I know. I don't know him. I no longer know him. Yes, this is the ID Ready Boss. We get 4 steering, 4 drivers, and all of us they go one destination for your belly to sweet. Today's date. The way it be for your calendar, and so it be for here. Ladies and gentlemen, I get my brother's here. MC Shaggy, of course, Lucky Shine.
Honestly spoken.
And then the dog ambassador Shakara.
Nothing, not to be ambassador for. Nothing.
Don't.
What kind of
Anyway,
I know why you go Malaysia.
I don't know whether it's a crime for me to chop dog meat, but anyway, if I don't commit crime, now you know. But for my fellow dog meatarians,
the Calamarians.
Oh my God!
I beg.
New English dog meatarians.
I'm not going to continue with this show. I beg. I'm in a sober mood.
Okay. Well, now CB so now 4 drivers they always drive the show. So if you move from Ellen, enter Shaggy, enter me, enter Shakara. So let me not push enter my side. We want to enter laugh out loud. Where we go take talks or kind funny thing. But today on, we decide to not use video. Because not to use video, we say we could move enter picture because some funny pictures still there. We go bring laughter matter. Pension. Now Shaggy now what kind of this is see so hold up things.
Yes, so still on the matter as they talk. You know say when I waka no say waka enter road, I waka enter India. No say I dey respect hold for Lagos. But this one there, when I don't say this one not build up na car park. Most see the picture, I beg.
Picture.
Now, wait, na traffic with this.
No.
No, na car park. You tell me this is na traffic. This is na car park.
No movement. No movement.
This is a car park now. I don't think this is a.
If this kind thing they happen steady, I saw those boys where they are like this. They don't hammer.
They don't hammer now.
Costain.
Second rainbow.
See this one.
They go get they just get up my brother.
You know, say video on top a cobra. You saw those car park for that bank.
Yes, now the 26 lane.
26 lane. Now lane be this so 26
lane.
Yeah.
How they do one?
No, they say they be break the toll gate.
Yes.
Where they get before. So you can't like open road now. So all the 26 lane just they go like where water they flow. So motor now this one no green. Come say like I'm like car park.
This kind of traffic if it lasts for like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Why you talk like 2 weeks? This thing go reach 1 year now.
And this kind when your guy go phone you, hello, where are you? So guy, they hold up. Where for hold up? Are they Mumbai area? You dey Mumbai because na India na be. You dey Mumbai. Okay, yes. Work don't start. So begin send mail for that place. Like yesterday.
This country in Nigeria, the kind robbery, Jesus.
You know say yesterday.
You know even feel rob there. Where you want rob?
Yeah, you want rob. As they knock glass. You say go tire now. Duty.
Shift. Invitation. Those boys when they rob people top 10 million bridge or motor spoil for night. You see they get flat under that bridge. They are flat. They directly under the bridge. They don't need to come from far. You don't notice how they tell the rob people for that place. Midnight, car spoil. 3rd million bridge say na water. They under. Under 5 minutes you go don't see boys don't come. Where you say that? They know the area. Anywhere. All this way they say no road. You go shock. You don't see them again.
But now very good one because people wey dey sell for traffic for this, they don't get too much work. Because as you sell the motor there, you give change. Like on our own, boy, we say you go run. You understand?
Let's work good for this one. Let's work.
Yeah.
And they go to say, wait.
They go to say this kind of traffic. Say if you even tell the person, please, I feel wrong, go use my ATM card. I say, go come, I still there. You go withdraw, call, pay the 2 you buy, continue.
So don't be traffic at all, na car park.
It's all right.
But where you do a park for now, na Mumbai park.
I say, why did you say you cotton and you're going to get traffic?
No, that traffic.
That's the one I get, eh? Movement. People are moving at a very fast
Oh boy, see traffic.
But meanwhile, Lagos traffic, they get mentor. Now redeem traffic with their mentor. They always call them and fight them.
Everyone say, and I want a month.
After they do this now work, so one they take a they make noise.
Once a month.
And I don't say if I come out that once a month. Everywhere so if you do small, give people chance, make them pass. Nothing they
I won't beg. You know, say that place, the hold up there, redeem the day. Deeper life different. Mountain of Fire, they decide. May they know how the TB Joshua Church. May no buy land for that place. Because we know what the cost for a cotton.
Yesterday hold up, at this time motor went OPJ. You know, it's supposed to resume by 6. So in the hold up, he called 4 Pandu for studio. Pandu can't connect OPJ. OPJ called the run evening or for hold up.
That's all now.
He can't give go slow here for inside hold up. He say, well, where they now? Hold up day. And he no say where anybody day for Lagos. Hold up day. So anywhere they go, no ask people. Hold up day.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. I'm gradually getting out of the fact that my best friend for how many years is a dogmatarian. So I'm getting
I'm coming back to yourself.
I'm coming back to myself. I will get over it.
I didn't do nothing.
I'll get over it. Okay, this next picture I want to show now. It has criteria. That's what Oibo call it. It has characteristic. It is simply tagged where to buy a wife.
Try.
Where
so you
to buy a wife. The picture is going to come up as I talk.
Where to marry a wife.
Where to buy.
I won't marry. Don't be buying. I won't buy. In the this one
and you go for Lalupo.
They talk
no, he's trying to help you. He's trying to help you.
Where to buy now? People who don't marry before.
No. Now people will be like say to marry. Now problem. So just go. You don't need to stay in a relationship.
Let you read the how they say with the
you don't need to stay in a relationship. And Shakara, this song will even favor you.
Yes.
Because they like us getting. Where to buy a wife. Criteria number 1, we give you guaranteed virgin.
Yeah. 2,
they deliver to you within 90 days.
Your 3 months. Under 3 months.
3, no extra charges. Free. That's no terms and conditions.
No shipping conditions.
Finally, if your wife run away, within 1 year, you get another one free of charge.
That's 1 year warranty.
You don't have to pay for delivery.
1 year warranty.
Yeah, 1 year warranty.
Where this thing they happen?
Vietnam.
I tell you.
No wonder you won't go Vietnam. I don't want to go Vietnam October. I thought they wonder say which one all the countries everywhere to go to show. Let me say they go Vietnam October. Okay, you know you don't first see everything. You can't arrange. You said okay, no.
Lucky Shaggy. You know, say for life, yes, birds of identical plumage. Let me talk it as Pastor Chris Okote will say.
Yes.
Portrait of identical plumage conglomerate together in the closest possible proximity. In simple English, that means birds of the same feather flock together.
They fly together.
It would be wrong. Let me finish.
Let him finish.
It would be wrong for me to have a best friend who is over 42 years old. I'm 44.
44. 55 now.
It would be wrong for me to have a friend who is 55 who has a relationship problem. And I'm in a position to help. I cannot travel, and I see this kind of thing. My problem, I don't already know, say Shakara, they like them enormous.
Okay.
Those are people like say if you get them for house, you know you can cheat on her because everything they house.
Occupied
so I don't already make a specification.
So you want travel go Vietnam, you want go buy
she's a size 27.
You don't forget say play seat, no be bench. You want go carry fat woman from there come.
No worry, I buy business class seat for her. It's not a problem. Those kind of guys say they use cotton, they sew cloth. Hey, I don't already. You go like them.
But the business now really good business.
I don't say that virgin.
Thank you very much.
And a virgin.
In fact, if she
but if you don't want virgin, go because virgin is $6,000. Who done this virgin before? Depending on how many men.
And how much would that one?
No, it depends on how many men. If
my brother, you know, say all very fat girls na virgin.
Out of
All right, my
experience,
people, make sure they follow us on Facebook
Okay.
at DEY Red. Please, we need on to follow us because people they really follow us, and some people they comment wella. Even for our email address at wazobia.tv.tv. Many of us we see on our story, we see on our picture. Even one of our picture, we go use them for one of our episodes. We they see on our work, man, continue to they send down. We like on us so much on they follow us. The 4 drivers on top, the show we get first steering. DEY Red.
And of course, if you know where, if you know say you feel help me, make I help my friend buy wife. If you know say you get where they sell for Nigeria, make I know waste ticket money go Vietnam.
Nah, I could not say papa, my friend. If you want to,
I'm gonna go break one and over.
go break, go find wife.
Go break, go come back. Go break, go solve the web.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.